Alright, so welcome to the next class. So in this class I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page for any product, any kind of product. I mean any kind of product. Alright, so like you all know, so we installed how many plugins in our last class. We installed Ninja Forms, Elementor, Essential for Add-ons, and also a starter template. Alright, so before we move on, we need to change our website themes. So how do you change your website themes? Come here, place your mouse on appearance, click on themes, So if you look at it now, this is themes we are using 2022 as in this theme. So the theme so after that, click on add new, add new theme. So search for Astra. So this is what we are looking for. If you can't find it there, so just search for Astra. So this is our theme we are looking for. Where is it? Go to Sanlawa. Astra. Where is our Astra? Okay. So let's just delete this. So you search for Astra. After searching for Astra, so where is it? I'm not installing a theme, guys. Okay, where is it? Where is our Astra? So, themes. New theme. Add new theme. So this is Astra. So click install, and activate. Before, if you look at this now, you see this is 2020 themes. But after installing Astra, I'll just refresh. You see the difference now. So this is our Astra theme that is using now. And I say, no, that one is beautiful than that one. Actually, one of the things that about Astra is you can able to edit as many things, and also to give you it beautify your website. So that's why we always recommend Astra. Alright, so what I'm going to do in this class is how to create a landing page for any product, any kind of product. Alright, so it's very, very important to know how to create a landing page for your product. So if you are running a conversion advert, you need to create a landing page for your product. So how do you do that? So like I said, everything is all about pages. Now, the moment you have landed here, one of the things I advise you that, please, before I forget this, anytime I do anything online when it comes to password and email, get a book to always write down your password and email address you use for that particular thing so that you can remember. Alright, so now the first thing we need to do is to create a page. Place your mouse on pages, place your mouse on add new. Please place your mouse on pages, place your mouse on add new, right click, a pop-up menu is going to appear, and click open the link in new tab. So before I move on, I need to explain this again. Anytime you want to log into the back end of your website, so you don't have anything to do with Namecheap again or the save panel, unless if there's any errors comes up. So you want to do some certain things there, or you want to create your email address or some certain things you need to do there, so you can go back to that place. So for you to, all you need to do, you also have most of the things you have to do is your WordPress, the dashboard. So how you log into your dashboard, your domain name, this is your domain name, you see, your domain name /wp-admin. Please, to log into your admin dashboard, your domain name wp-admin, like I abtemitayo.com wp-admin. So it might ask you to log in with that password and the username. You put it there and you're able to log in and you come in here. Alright, so moving, like I said, place your mouse on pages, place your mouse on add new, right click and open the link in your tab. So this is it. So this is how our page is going to look like. Now if you want to design a landing page for a product, it's very important you name the product with that, name the page with that product. So, and like I said, we want to, we have a name for a product. So I've not chosen a product yet, but let's just use a product. Let me just find a product first so that we can able to. Alright, so I believe this is a good product. So this is one of the products I want to use. So it's a good product. So if peradventure you go into e-commerce fully, or also you are doing e-commerce, or you are buying any product online, so you need to just go to aliexpress.com, search for the name of the product. So you're able to get the name of the product. You get the name of the product. So after you get the name of the product, so when you search for it, so pick it. So what you are looking for is to get the images and the video and something that's what do I call it, that represent what you are selling. Alright, so if you look at this now, you have download main images, download the images, so descriptions. So after what you need to do is for you to have this on your AliExpress. So what you need to do is let me see. All you need to do is go open a new tab, search for Ali Media Extension. Ali Media Extension. So search Ali Media Extension. When you search for Ali Media Extension, so this is it. Chrome.com. So let me see this one. So this is an ad, right? Okay, Ali Media Extension. And so this is it. So remember this. It's this color. So you might see different ones. I think I've seen two like that. So this is the one you are using, Ali Media Extension. So you see add to Chrome. You see add to Chrome there. Yes, you are using Google Chrome to for this, because there are some things you can't use normal other browsers to do, but Google Chrome will allow you to use that. We'll click on add to Chrome. After click on add to Chrome, so pop-up menu is going to appear at the top. Click on add extension. When you click on add extension, so if you have opened your AliExpress before, just refresh your AliExpress. So this image is going to pop out. Alright, so you click on download main images. I'm coming, I need to do something. Alright, so click on download main images once. After clicking on it, click on download variant images. Click on download description images. You're going to download different description images. So if you have, alright, so after downloading it, so all you need to go is go back to your page. Alright, so what's the name of the products we are selling? What's the name of the products we are selling? Big toe union device pin straightener. Okay. Alright, so this is the name of our product. So all you need to do is I'll show you some certain things you need to understand. Alright, so let us name it toe correction, because it's very important of the name you are putting here. Because some of you might put in long names and you don't know that it will affect. It's not meaning it's going to affect. It will be too long, because anytime you give, because this is part of the link you are going to give to people. Alright, so you get to understand what I'm trying to say later on. So toe correction. So So toe correction. After putting the name, toe correction, by your right hand side where you put default template, change it to Elementor canvas. Change it to Elementor canvas. Click on publish. Some of you it wants it to be published, and click on publish again. Now clicking on publish, click on edit with Elementor. Edit with Elementor. Edit with Elementor. So in case this video takes longer, so I'm going to cut it into different parts. I'm going to put it into different parts. Alright, so let's move on. Alright, so these by your left hand side, these are called widgets. These are called widgets. The ones you see padlock on, you can only use it for Elementor Pro. You need to subscribe for the Elementor Pro. So these are called widgets. There are many widgets here. So you can use this one because the reason why you can use this one because we install Elementor, essential for add-ons for Elementor. So it's give you a privilege to use this widgets. So you might see EN. See them to us, him to also ask. So these are Elementor Pros. You might see the padlock. You have different widgets you can use. So this different widgets is just about dragging and dropping, dragging and dropping. And without no section with a structure inside, you can't use this widget. Now if I click hold and drag now at the top, you see using this error or cancel signal or symbol. So you look at it now. So for it to function, you need to click on this plus sign, admin section. So structure. The first structure in a landing page is called the heading. So you must understand the copywriting when it comes to heading. You need when it comes to designing a landing page, the first thing you need to do is to capture the hook, which is the heading. The next thing is the image or the video. The image should be the next. The next thing should be your product benefit, the call to action button, and the price and the call to action button. More about maybe your product, maybe features, or maybe some things people need to know. The call to action button and the video. The call to action button. So this is very important anytime you are designing a landing page. So just follow the process. So the first thing is the heading. Click on the first structure. Now clicking on this first structure, by your left hand side, the settings in editing your section is going to appear. The settings editing your section is going to appear. So just change this content width to full width. Change it to full width. Alright, so anytime you know that you are editing a section, just check at the top here. Do you see where my mouse is? At the top here, they said edit section. That means you are editing this section. So under the edit section, there are 3 subheadings. We have layout, we have style, we have advanced. So same thing with if you are working with a widget, one of the widgets, you also experience this. So to go back to the main menu of your widget, click on click on this panel at the top here by the right hand side. Click on it. Click on the heading widget. So this is an heading widget. Click on it and hold. Click hold, and drag it inside. This is where you see this plus sign. Just drag it inside. The moment you show this color, this blue color, or the color inside, just put it inside. So look at it now. Edit heading. So that means we're editing our heading. So now if I do know I'm editing a section, when I click on this plus sign, this panel is going to say I'm editing the section. You know what I'm saying? So if you know, okay, you're editing the widget, click inside. You tell me you're editing the heading. Alright, so the name of our product is a big toe Benignon device splint straightener. So what I'm going to do is that, because one of the things is that when it comes to copywriting, the word new is very, very important too. So what we are going to do is that new device, new toe correction device splint straightener, or new toe correction foot pain relief thumb care. You know what I'm saying? So you can just copy all this. So how do you do that? Go back by your right hand side, by your left hand side, that's where you edit it. So delete this. So in capital letter, new, so let's go back. So new to correction, both pen relief thumb care. You see, copy it. So, but notice this. Notice this. You must understand that you can't just you can't just be copying from different sites and be pasting in your WordPress. You might have issue with it. Yes, you might have issue with it. You might have issue with it. All right. So, oh, sorry, I didn't show you that. So, if you want your words to be in capital letter, so click on style. I'll explain all this area and click on typography. Where the wrote transform, click on transform and click on uppercase. So everything is going to be in capital letter. So after putting your titles, I believe you have come across this, that you maybe search something online and on the text, if you place your mouse on it, you can click it and you take it to a particular another page. So this is where the wrote link. You can put a link on maybe epithom.com or maybe something you want to direct your client to. So that's where. So size small, medium, large. So that's what the size. So our alignment is center. It's center. Alright, so let me keep checking on my number. So alright, so alignment is center. Alright, so our alignment is going to be center. So you click on, go to style. So under style, we have text, we have typography, we have text stroke, we have text shadow, and we have blend mode. So I believe you know what text color, I believe what no color is. To change your color, you can change any color you want. Click on the color, this color, click on the color. So all you need to do, click, hold and drag to the color we want. So this is it. Click, hold and drag the color. So this you have different color here. All you need to do is what? Click, hold and drag. Did you see that? Click, hold and drag it to see the color you are looking for. Look what I'm saying? Alright, so you see, it's all about clicking on and drag. And also if you want the color to be transparent, you can just this one down here, click, hold and drag it like this. Do you see now? So it's going to be transparent. So alright, so that's for the color. Alright, for the typography is your family. The family is the font. The family is the font. The family is the font. So how do you change the font? It's just like different writing. Different handwriting you want to use. Different handwriting. You click on form. So you just use the font you want to use. So size, just to increase the size of your text. I want to increase the size, so you can click and drag, or you click inside the box and type the number you want. You understand what I'm saying? Alright, so weight, if you want to change the thickness of your text, 900, or you want to make it normal, or you want to make it bold, so to thicken the text. Alright, so the weight of your text. So the transform, like I showed you the other time, so you want it to be uppercase, lowercase, so capitalize, you understand? So normal, so I'm making it uppercase. Alright, so decoration is just like underline. We have underline, we have overline through, we have line through, and we have none. So it's going to be, we are putting as default. So like your line height, so you understand what I'm saying? So this, you see, for the line height. So you're not doing anything about your line height. Alright, so under typography for the line height. Alright, so your line spacing, so if you want a spacing for your line spacing. Alright, so for the word spacing also, so this is how you you use your typography. So for the text stroke, so do you see, as for the text stroke, for your text shadow, so to make it blur, and it's in blur like that. So that's for it. So see you in next class.